shoot. Alright, break that loose. See what I get out right there. Get those out. These are old ones. They're still pretty decent. They got a little bit of good meat on there, but we just want to get rid of all that because got PVC brakes right here. See, these are brand new ones. I know I probably should get new rotors soon because they are pretty grooved up. I'll get them, but I just know I just need some good stopping power right now. So for now, that's what I have to kind of do. So just gotta put these back in here. Uh-oh. Let's not try to have that happen. Oops. Other one. So one side goes on. I don't know how to compress these calipers. Some minor difficulties. It's my first time changing brakes, so I know let's see how to use the bracket. But as you see, everything is back on there. It's back on there. Brakes brand new, and then because of that, I actually before my rear brake fluid was low, and I figured it had to be because of the brake pads. But now it's kind of showing. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of showing now halfway between half and lower. Before it was literally right below the low signs, the lower indication. So yeah, brakes need to be changed. Eventually I will be putting a new rotor on there as well as getting the front fork seal replaced and changed, because I've been having a bad leak going on, and I know those have contaminated my front brakes. So I know the next thing I'll be doing is buying two sets of front brakes for the GSXR and getting those fork seals replaced, so that, you know, my stopping will be way more optimal than what it's been. Also, the next thing to do on here, I'm waiting for my fairings to come, because right now I am driving naked. I went ahead and took both fairings off because it was the left one that got messed up during the wreck. So I ordered some, so I should have the left side coming back hopefully within the next couple of weeks, so I can add those back on there. Then I actually have a headlight that needs to get added in, so I can get like the halo lights on there and the demon eyes, which is going to be completely dope. as well. I'm probably going to paint my my brake calipers as well. Try to get this thing kind of retuned again. Get it more. Oh, also full tune-up. Definitely got to do a tune-up on here. I think since I've gotten it, I haven't changed the spark plugs or anything yet on there. The guy I bought it from, he said that it went through a whole thing, but you know, most times you don't really know that because when I changed the oil was black as heck, so can't really take his word for it. So I will be replacing the air filter and the spark plugs as well, so I can get more power output on this thing. But you know, just gotta put money aside, just save what I need to, because honestly, before I got a bike, I looked into it a little bit. Folk told me that, you know, having this as a hobby is pretty expensive. Now I see why, because even outside of just the riding gear, you know, your helmet, your jacket, make sure you're padded up, your pants, your boots, your gloves, the maintenance on here is pretty easy, but it's just like to make sure everything's running good, you know what I'm saying, that costs as well. So, but it's a fun hobby to have. I'm not mad at it. I mean, I used to spend money on cars, you feel me? Only thing I just hate is the fact that for 2 tires on a motorcycle, it's almost close to the price of what I would pay for 4 tires for my car. It's outrageous, but hey, it is what it is. So, yeah. This has been me changing brakes for the first time. I know, like I said, I had to cut through because I didn't know what I was doing, so I had to figure it out. So I kind of missed the whole install aspect of it, but they're done. So maybe next time I'm going to change it again. I'll be able to have a better video. So yeah, till next time.